been asking myself the question, what's one thing that you always wish you could do in the spring, but you don't get done because you're never home? And the answer is process more cilantro. I never regret having my homegrown cilantro frozen and available for summer salsas. So that's been my mission today. I've been going out to the foodscape, gathering big bunches of cilantro, cleaning it up, food processing it, adding just a little bit of olive oil, and then putting it into small zipper bags so that I can freeze for later use.